So if you want to make multiple columns or rows the same size, how you can do this is you can highlight multiple columns that we have here, see different size columns, and then we can just click and drag this down a bit, and all of the columns snap to the same size. We can do this with rows as well. You can see just dragging this out a bit makes them all bigger, dragging it down a bit makes them all smaller, and double clicking auto-fits them to the text that's in them. If we want to make a specific size of cell, what we can do is we can highlight these, we can go to Format up here in the home bar, and then we can go down to column width, and then this lets us type in a specific column width, like let's say 10, and then all of these are exactly the same size, and you don't have to guess just by, dragging things around and hoping you get the right size of cell. And this works the same with rows using the row height feature. Let's make this, say, 5. And then you can see all of the rows have gotten super small. One quick thing to note is you can do every cell in the entire workbook by going to the spot to the left of column A and above row 1. You can click this. This will highlight every cell in Excel, and we can drag this out, and you see all of the rows in Excel are getting bigger, and if we drag this out, you can see all of the columns as far over as we go are becoming bigger and are staying the same size. And this works as well with the column width and row height features. I hope this helped you, and thanks for watching.